This is my story of the day. Today, I am exploring the road with the beautiful scenery of Ternate, particularly from its forest area. Along the road, sometimes monkeys appear from the forest. Due to their energetic and playful nature, monkeys were seen by various cultures as tricksters. However, the monkey represents much more than fun and play. From monkeys to the beauty of nature, we dare to energize ourselves and relieve the stresses deep within us. Trees, forests, seas, and people are linking each other to survive from this Mother Earth. By this impressive beauty of nature, our life inspires. The waves from the oceans can help us feel the simplicity of life. Feelings are much like waves. We cannot stop them from coming, but we can choose which one to surf. With these green trees from forest, we can feel how our Mother Earth extends her love because of the oxygen it releases for us to inhale. Go green, go nature. Thank you.